Hi, I'm Adam, a Google Ad Specialist here at Oostas. I want to give you a quick way to feel confident that your Google Ad dollars are doing their job and bringing in real customers in 2026. This is a real client that we managed ads for here at Oostas. You can see here that over the 5 months before they came to Oostas running ads, they spent almost $5,000 on a Google Smart Ads campaign and got 33 phone calls as a result. Once they switched to Oostas, they actually cut their ad spend down almost in half, down to $2,500, and got 49 phone calls as a result over that same 5 month period. The reason for that is that we established clear, measurable results for their campaigns and really honed in on the keywords that we're targeting instead of relying on Google's automated tools. That allowed us to ensure that we weren't wasting ad spend and deliver real results, making use of every dollar that they had. Overall, the client cut their ad spend and saved over $2,000, and despite the smaller ad spend, this client saw an increase of 48.5% in the total number of phone call conversion. So if you want to head into 2026 with confidence, don't rely on automation or guesswork. Focus on the five signals and partner with someone who understands your business, sets clear goals with you, and keeps the communication simple and transparent.